It's your travel agent David, and today we are at Chena Hot Springs Resort in Alaska. We are going to be going to their ice museum, so we're working our way over to the activities center to check in. Now, this ice museum is really cool, literally and figuratively. They have a lot of ice art in there. They even have a showroom. If somebody happens to be working in there, you can see them making the ice art. They have several beds in there that you can actually rent out, and you can spend the night in there. How cool is that? Freezing cold. That's how cool it is. They have a bar in there also, and so you can get a shot glass, not a shot glass, martini glass with an apple martini. That's about $15 extra. You drink your martini. We come outside. We smash the martini glasses for good luck, and that concludes the tour. So let's go check in at the activities desk so we can go over here and check out some ice art. Now, at the back of the museum are the 4 bedrooms, 2 on each side. So you have a total of 4 bedrooms that you can rent out. So if you want to have a party, bachelor party, bachelorette party, just some fun party. This also comes with a room in the lodge. So if you get cold, you can leave and go warm up, come on back, whatever you want to do. But you get the access to all this for the night. I don't know about you, but that fire doesn't look very warm. So the resident ice carver is actually one that does several of the international ice carving competition displays. So where we were at 2 nights ago, you're able to see several of his pieces. Now, if you see the international ice carving video that I did, the Welcome to the Jungle, the one with the big leopard, that was one of his. With the band and the leopard and everything. Just to give you an idea of the level of his work abilities. So here is the workshop. So I've been in here one time where they're actually doing some work in here, making some stuff. That was about 5 or 6 years ago. I've been here about 3 times since, and I haven't been lucky to see them. But if you see right behind me, these are all ice blocks ready to be prepped and going. You got some over here. You've got some right over there. You got the big blocks are right over here. So they are all set and ready to go. Well, that completes our time in the Ice Museum. If you have any questions about it or anything else to do with Chena Hot Springs, make sure you hit me up. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Love you. So what'd you think?
I like it. Next time we should like spend the night in one of those rooms.
You don't even like going into the refrigerated section at the grocery store. But I'll do that.
Nope. I
No.
was just kidding.
Yeah.
Let's find somebody else to go with you.
All right, ladies, you heard that.